Somebody walked out of my open house with stolen goods. Was it a thief or was it an accident? You tell me. I was hosting this open house yesterday on a property in Bellevue, Washington, in the Somerset area. About 20 groups came through and it got very chaotic rather quickly. This was a nice luxury listing. We had a booty box at the door where people would either put booties on their shoes to slip them on to walk through the house or take their shoes off at the door. This is Seattle after all, and it rains a lot. It was getting really crazy with all the shoes piling up off to the side of the front door. Two women ended up coming into the open house at the exact same time from two different groups, and they both took their shoes off and added them to the pile. Keep in mind that these women were coming through the open house when there was 4 other groups through at the exact same time. Some time has passed since those women were in the open house. They've actually come and gone. There's more groups coming through. I'm chatting with everyone. It's about time to lock up on the house because the open house has been going for a long time. I'm trying to lock up, and right at the end when I start to lock up, something really strange happened. So I saw another car pulling up, and I was wondering, oh, who is this? I'm already 30 to 45 minutes after the open house was supposed to be done. I recognized that as one of the 2 ladies that came into the open house at the same time earlier. She gets out of the car and she instantly looks at me with this concerned expression on her face. She points down to her shoes and she says, "Someone took my shoes." I had some questions for her. Your shoes look similar to what you were wearing before. She just is freaking out, telling me that she is not wearing her original shoes. So yeah, she starts saying stuff like, "I don't know what I'm gonna do without these shoes. These are old shoes." I'm trying to calm her down and I'm saying, "Hey, look, remember you signed in at our open house and most other people signed in at our open houses as well. So I'm going to reach out to everyone and I can find your shoes. We'll make an effort to find your shoes for you." That happened yesterday. I haven't heard back yet from anyone. I have emailed everyone to see if we can get the shoes back to the right people. She did tell me that she is very much interested in the property and she might be even making an offer on it. Silver lining right there, folks. I've been a realtor for over 10 years now. I never ran into a situation like this before. Although I have had an even crazier open house story happen to me several years ago before the pandemic. If any of you would like to know about that crazy story, put it in the comment. If I have enough demand, I'll make another video like this to tell you about that. My name is Amaro. I'm a local realtor here in the greater Seattle area. I work with both home buyers and home sellers in King, Pierce, and Snohomish counties. So if you're looking for any real estate help whatsoever, buying, selling, investing, please reach out to me. I'd be happy to help you. I can help you look for amazing off-market properties where you can get them for less than market price. Follow me for more real estate shenanigans.